Today, we are making a super flavorful corned beef, sausages, and pasta jollof. This recipe is quick and easy and packed with so much taste. Hi, I'm Aram and welcome to my YouTube channel, Vamidanu. Without talking much, let's get into the cooking. I'm starting by frying some sausages in enough oil for roughly 2 to 3 minutes or till it looks something like this. Then I'm going to take the sausages out of the oil, set aside for later, and add some aromatics into the oil. So for the aromatics, I added some Kpakposhito or green scotch bonnet, sliced onions, rosemary, and a couple of bay leaves. I'll cook that till the onions are nicely caramelized and fragrant, or you can actually start perceiving the aroma of the onions and the herbs. Next, I'll add about a ladle scoop of tomato paste to that and cook for roughly 5 minutes, stirring and frying it well till the oil begins to separate. For the next step, I'll go in with a blend of onions, pepper, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, green pepper, some rosemary, black pepper, coriander, and calabash nutmeg. And I'm going to give that a good and even mix. I'll go right ahead to season with some onga stew powder. This is going to give it a vibrant, rich color and some depth. I'll also add some curry powder, salt to taste, onga shrimp tablets, and give that a very good mix. I'll cover and allow that to cook down properly. This is going to take a cook time of roughly 15 to 20 minutes on medium to low heat. Once the stew is cooked, I'll go in with some washed rice and some pasta, basically some spaghetti and macaroni. And I'll give that a quick and gentle mix till everything is beautifully combined or well incorporated. I'll stir fry for about 3 minutes just to allow the rice and pasta take up the flavor of the stew. Then I'm going to introduce some moisture by adding the chicken stock just slightly above the rice. The chicken stock is going to add to the flavor of the jollof rice. However, if you don't have any chicken stock, you can use any stock of preference or water. It's equally going to get the job done. Then I'm going to cover and allow that cook for roughly 20 to 25 minutes on the lowest heat. After 20 to 25 minutes, the jollof should almost be cooked. So once I check and the jollof is almost cooked, I'll add some green pepper, sliced onions, corned beef, and the sausages. And gently mix till it is nicely combined. Just a little toss and turn will do the trick. You don't want the corned beef to completely dissolve or disappear in the rice. And once that is done, I'm going to cover with some parchment paper and allow that cook on low heat for roughly 15 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, the jollof should be fully cooked. So this is what the jollof is looking like now. The pasta is fully cooked, the rice grains fully cooked as well. It looks really good. And I'm super content with the final outcome. So just like that, our corned beef, sausages, pasta jollof is ready. Rich, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. So I went ahead to serve that. I paired it with some green chili sauce. I have a number of green chili sauce recipes on my channel, so kindly check it out. I added a side of vegetables, some fried plantains, and grilled chicken. Anyway, we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, if you found it useful, Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes from me. Thank you for watching and bye.